Welcome to Tricky's Kitchen, where delicious food is made easy. Today Tricky is preparing Shrikhand, which is a thick and creamy, delicious traditional Indian dessert. It's a very quick recipe to make, so let's get straight to the ingredients. Note that in this recipe we are using Greek yogurt, but you can use hung curd instead. Preparation. The preparation stage is optional and only needed if you are not using Greek yogurt. So to prepare the hung curd, place a strainer over a deep bowl and spread a muslin or cheesecloth over it. Then add the homemade or shop-bought fresh curd into the cloth and gather the edges together. Squeeze gently to allow the excess liquid called whey to drain out into the bowl. Then press down and place a weight on the drained curd to help speed up the process. The alternate option is, if you do not want to use the weight, hang the curd in a cool place to allow the whey to drain out. Then remove the weight when all the whey has drained out completely. And there you have it. The hung curd is now ready to use in place of Greek yogurt. Method. As mentioned, we are using Greek yogurt. So add the Greek yogurt, ground sugar, cardamom powder and saffron water to a mixing bowl. Whisk well until smooth and creamy. Note, add required amount of sugar to adjust the sweetness to your liking. Then add in the chopped pistachios and chopped almonds and mix. Then cover with cling film and refrigerate until chilled. When ready to serve, transfer to a serving bowl and garnish with chopped nuts. And remember to serve chilled as a dessert. It also goes well with the puri. So there you have it. Creamy, thick, delicious traditional Indian dessert called Shrikhand. Thank you for stopping by. Hope you will give this recipe a try, have lots of fun in the process as you toy, and most of all, don't forget to enjoy! Tricky's Kitchen has lots of other dessert recipes that you would like to try out, so be sure to click on the link on your screen right now and watch another video.